Good afternoon, dear traders.
Hello, welcome to InstаФорекс economic news channel. We are Anna Kasatkina
and Kate Nidachina.
You are watching currency and commodity markets review for the last week.
What were the last week currency trends?
The US dollar closed the week up 2.11%, which was a significant move.
What pushed the US dollar higher?
The US dollar was supported by the speculations on the Fed's tightening policy and report on the retail sales in the USA. On Friday, the US dollar was nearing its 6-year high against the Japanese yen. Some analysts say that the reason for this rally is in the difference between the rebound in the US and Japanese economies. While the US economy is gaining momentum, the Japanese growth is curbed by the April's sales tax hike. In the Asian hours of Friday's trading session, the US dollar rose to 107.3960, but then retraced a little. In New York trading hours, the pair was worth 107.33 yen, going up from the Thursday level of 107.06. Meanwhile, the Australian dollar, one of the most profitable currencies, fell 3.6% against the US dollar last week. Most experts believe the Aussie is overvalued. The currency continued its downtrend despite the country's economy added 230,000 more jobs this year, the most valuable gain for the last 3 years. The sales of Audi continued Friday when the quote reached 90.42 of the US cents. That was a little bit higher of the pair's lowest level locked in March. On Thursday, the Australian dollar hit the level of 91.03 US cents. The Aussie's decline is widely attributed to the slump in iron ore prices. They dropped to 5-year low. Australia is one of the major iron ore exporters in the world, and the country's GDP is highly dependent on the mining industry. This is all news on the currency quotes.
Thank you for the currency market overview, Kate.
You're welcome. And what mood predominated on the last week on the commodity market?
Both oil and gold fell down.
And what pushed the quotes down?
Oil lost in price on Friday amid strengthening of the US dollar and expectations of weaker demand for raw materials and higher stockpiles of them in the USA. Prices for WTI October futures lost 0.6% to $92.27 per barrel, bringing the weekly decline to 1%. Brent crude oil was traded below $100 per barrel. October futures shed 1% to $97.11 per barrel. On the week, the quotes decreased by 3.7%, which was the most significant weekly decline since the 11th of July. Meanwhile, futures for gold sunk by 2.8% on Friday on the week, maintaining its 5-week downtrend. Positive data on the U.S. retail sales increased confidence in the U.S. economy and decreased the appetite to safe haven assets. Moreover, strong greenback hampered gold from growth. Thus, gold futures for December delivery went down by 0.6% to $1,231.50 per troy ounce.
Anna, thank you for the review of the commodity market.
You're welcome, Kate.
That was a weekly review of the commodity and currency markets at ИнстаФорекс TV channel.
And it was presented to you by Kate Nidachina
and Anna Kasatkina.
Bye for now.
And good luck!